Automatic powder can packaging line. The powder screw feeder lifts the powder from hopper to the tube top, then drop the powder. The powder auger filling machine will fill the powder into the cans, suitable for filling of various powder materials. The automatic vacuum nitrogen flushing cans simmer will seal cans one by one. First vacuum, then nitrogen, and finally sealed. The residual oxygen content is less than 3%, effectively extending the shelf life of the product and improving product quality.